So example number 4 says we need to look back at number 2 and determine speed and velocity if the time was 1 hour and 10 minutes. Okay, so let's turn 1 hour and 10 minutes into minutes. 1 hour plus 10 minutes. Actually, let's change it to seconds. So 1 hour. Well, I want to get to seconds. I know that in 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. I know that in every 1 minute, there is 60 seconds. Now watch what happens to these units. Hours divided by hours, minutes divided by minutes. I'm left with seconds. So I go 60 times 60. Okay. Now I have another 10 minutes I have to put on. Well, 10 minutes, 1 minute has 60 seconds, minutes, I'm left with 600 seconds. I add those two together, 4,200 seconds. Okay, so my time is 4,200 seconds. So let's talk about sig figs. I wrote out 1 hour and 10 minutes. It was really vague how many sig figs I have. So I'm going to leave all of those digits for my sig figs. Now, to find speed or velocity, I need either a distance or a displacement, right? Well, from question 2, my distance was 3.8 kilometers. And we're going to put it in meters per second. So I need distance. Distance equals how many kilometers? 3.8? Yeah. 3.8 kilometers. I need to put kilometers into meters. Well, 1 kilometer has 1,000 meters. Kilogram. Okay. So in other words, I have 3,800 meters. So my speed is my distance, 3,800 meters divided by my time, 4,200 seconds. My unit is meters per second. That seems to make sense. It looks like I'm going to have 2 sig figs, so my final answer can have 2 sig figs. Grabbing out a calculator, divided by, looks like I have 0.90. No, I don't want to rate it. 0.90. That would be 2 sig figs. Now for velocity. Velocity is displacement over time. Okay, so we had said that displacement from question 2 was negative 1.2 kilometers. That's how we showed it was south. So negative 1.2 kilometers. Okay, we need to convert kilometers into meters. And we know that we put kilometers on the bottom. That's 1,000 meters. Displacement is negative 1,200 kilometers. 2 sig figs. My velocity is my, oops, that should be meters. Those cancel out. Meters per same amount of seconds. Grab a calculator. Not sure how to do negative on this one. Oops. See if this works. Clear. Negative. -0.29. Negative 0.29 kilometer meters per second. Okay, this is a vector. It has both direction. This is what tells us the direction. That tells us south, and it has a magnitude.